Hello! Now today I'm going to do a review on my K-Warrior. This is my two-tone K-Warrior. I picked this up from Only BB Guns. I paid about £60 plus an extra magazine. I can't remember how much I paid for that. Now, I've had this for about 8 months. Cracking little gun. It shoots about 300 FPS. It's hard kicking. Oh, BB just dropped out. Now there are a couple of quirks with this. The front barrel never locks properly, so actually is a bit, sometimes is a little bit off at long range. Now this is the second one. It isn't actually on the slide stay here, it's actually locked on the hammer, so you just clip it and it'll go in. But saying that, out of all my gas blowback guns, this is the cheapest and it functions the best in cold weather, so I can't really complain. The 26 round high cap magazines are spot on, can't complain. One did leak, and the guy advised you to press this button here and pull it over, and you'll see a little Allen key, and you just twist that and tighten it up, and the leak will stop. Now, one thing to remember is do not take this off all the way, because this spring in here will shoot off like a rocket, and Jesus, it's right hard to find. Another thing I do have on the bottom of my the K-Warrior, what my 1911 doesn't have, is a mounting rail, which is pretty handy. I usually have a laser on here. It works quite well, the laser. Well, if you do have a laser though, be careful which holster you get, because it won't always fit in. I do have, and I've not bothered mounting it yet, is a red dot sight. Put it on. That's on. See it? There we go. A red dot sight for a pistol. Now these are quite cool, but there is a downside. You actually have to screw. You have to drill 6 little holes, 3 in each side, and then tap them and then screw it in to get it to mount on your gun. So when it's on, it's permanent. Takedown on this gun is the same as same as the SRC. You just pop that little pin out, pull it off, and adjust a hop up inside. It does have a full functioning safety. It will only work when the hammer is cocked. It does have a half cock, which is in most airsoft guns pretty pointless. What's it do for you? And you have to put it to full cock to take it off. Now it is full metal. It's I guess it's a zinc alloy. It's not going to be aluminium. It is one hefty gun. I will say I have a holster, a clip-on holster, and it has pulled the holster off. It is a brass barrel though, with a plastic outer barrel. It's a pretty poor grey. It doesn't even look like metal. The sights are apparently adjustable. I've never adjusted them. It shoots quite straight. I've never even had to play with the hop up. Now, another little thing. You can't really see it, but there's a slight blistering on the plating of the safety. But other than that, now I've taken this airsofting and usually get more kills from this than I do with anything else. I'm a bit of a pistol person, so it gets a 7 out of 10 for me. Price, it is an absolute bargain for your money. Where it lets you down is accuracy at long range. It's not. It is a pistol, and people say, oh, pistols don't go, you're not going to hit anything miles away, but if you have a decent pistol you can take some pretty good shots. Actually it's not brilliant, but for 60 quid it's amazing. You can't ask for much more, and even the beaver tail safety works. And it comes one of these. You get a hard case to put it in, which is brilliant when you're transporting it. My mates don't like it because, well, I own them with it every time. Well, Chris is just bullet magnet. But anyway, yeah, if you see one of these going and you're like starting out in airsofting, this is what you want for your sidearm. I even use it just as a primary sometimes. I've got 2 mags, 26 rounds each, and I usually have I've got a Beretta Rafrika 2, which is pretty awesome. Anyway, yeah, it's a pretty sound gun. If you want it, you can find it on Only BB Guns and Just BB Guns at quite a reasonable price. As always, stay safe and always wear your eye protection. Thank you.